If you want to turn your ideas into high converting content in minutes using AI, well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are going to show you a complete beginner's guide to Notis AI. How it works, what it does, and how you can start using it step by step. And if you haven't signed up yet, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below to support our channel. Let's begin. Okay, so what exactly is Notis AI? Basically, it is an AI-powered content creation tool designed to help creators, marketers, and businesses generate content faster. Depending on your workflow, you can use it to create social media posts, marketing copy, script, captions, product descriptions, and more. So it's built to simplify content creation without needing advanced writing skills. Now, in terms of pricing, Notis offers three different subscription plans for you: the Pro, Pro Plus, and the Ultra. So you can decide which one is for you. Basically, the Pro plan is perfect for solo founders and operators who want the convenience of having Notis inside Telegram, iMessage, WhatsApp, Slack, or even email. So basically, you get AI assistant inside the apps you already use. And then the Pro Plus plan is the most popular, which is designed for busy operators who want to win back an entire day every week by automating recurring work. So this is going to be the pricing plans. And of course, the Ultra is designed for someone who is scaling fast and building agentic AI workflows, which is really essential for high growth teams designing and managing a swarm of AI agents. But before you sign up for any of their plans, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description below. Not only it will support our channel at no extra cost to you, this will forward you to the sign up page. After that, you will be forwarded to the checkout page. Don't worry because you will get a 7-day free trial. And after the trial, it will cost you the amount that you have selected within the subscription plan. So you can test everything risk-free for 7 days and just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have selected the subscription plan, you need to open Notis AI via Telegram, WhatsApp, or iMessage depending on your preferences. In my case, I am choosing Telegram. And you will be forwarded to the main dashboard of Notis AI so you can understand exactly what each tab does and how to use it effectively. If you are new to Notis, this will help you navigate the platform like a pro. Okay, so you have 4 sections here on Notis AI. One is the Manage, Connect, Learn, Billing, and Team. So basically, Manage is going to be your main control center. Think of this as your dashboard overview where you can monitor everything happening inside your Notis account. Under that is going to be the automation. This is where the magic happens because automation allows you to create workflows that runs automatically. For example, if you want to create a new automation, click the plus button, name your automation, enter the automation prompt, okay? Instead of doing repetitive tasks manually, you can set it once and let Notis handle the rest for you. Okay, you can test it if you want. So whether it's sending notifications, organizing content, triggering actions, or connecting apps, Notis AI has you covered. Okay, so after that is going to be the reminders. This helps you schedule alerts and follow-ups. If you want to create a reminder, you can do so. Click the reminder, which is perfect for staying organized and productive. After that, you have the memory section. This is where Notis stores important save information. If you want to add a memory, you can do that so that it will allow the system to remember contacts, preferences, or key data so your workflows become smarter over time. So think of it as your AI-powered knowledge base. And then, let's go to the Connect section. Under Connect, you can link any external tools and services. This is where you authorize apps or platforms to communicate with Notis so everything works together seamlessly. Of course, under that is the integrations. It shows all the supported apps and services you can integrate like CRMs, messaging apps, productivity tools, and more. And the channels are where your inputs and outputs happen. For example, this include messaging platforms like Telegram or other communication channels connected to workflow. Later on, we're gonna try to use Telegram as part of the channels so we can define where information comes from and where it goes. And then after that is the Learn section. This is gonna be the resource center. Here you will find the documentation. Now, the documentation is perfect if you want deeper explanations, API details, or advanced setup instructions. Now, you also have the community section where you can connect with other Notice users. You can ask questions, share ideas, and learn best practices from real users by logging in using your credentials. Of course, there is the feature request. It allows you to submit suggestions for improvements or new tools you'd like to see added. It's going to be your direct feedback line to the team. And then there is the change log. It shows recent updates and improvements. Whenever Notice releases new features like bug fixes or upgrades, they'll be listed here. So it's the best way to stay updated within the Notice. Now, the last part is going to be all about billing and team. So you can manage your subscription, update payment details, and of course, you have the usage showing you how much of the platform you're using. So you can monitor credits, limits, activity levels, so you can monitor credits, limits, activity levels, or automation runs depending on your plan. This helps you avoid hitting limits unexpectedly. And finally, we have the team section where you can manage your workspace. You can invite team members, assign roles, control access, and collaborate efficiently. Of course, to unlock the team management, you need to activate the Pro Plus now. You can cancel that anytime. Okay, so I'll head back to the channels section and show you how Notice can help you using Telegram as our example, how channels help with the data flow. Basically, channels act as the bridge between Notice and your external platforms. They control how information moves into and out of the system. So we're gonna go here at the Notice. So for example, when someone sends you a message on Telegram, the channel captures that data and brings it to Notice. And of course, Notice can process that information using automations, AI, or workflows. And after processing, Notice can send a response, trigger an action, or forward that data to another connected app. So instead of you manually copying messages here, details, or replying one by one, channels automate the entire workflow. Of course, you can send it voice notes, and Notice transcribes them into the right Notion and database. You can also add some photos or videos, document, poll, or location. Okay? And with that being said, Notice is clearly built for automation-focused users, agencies, businesses, and workflow optimization. Now, if you're just looking for a simple AI chat, it may feel complex, but if you're building systems, it's very powerful because it provides automations, channels, integrations, and usage, which everything else supports these. And that wraps up our complete beginner's guide to Notis AI. Now that you've seen how manage automations, reminders, memories, and integrations, plus all of the channels work together, you can probably tell Notice isn't just another automation tool, it's more like a centralized AI assistant that connects your app, captures information, and keeps everything organized automatically. Now, for beginners, Notice AI might feel slightly overwhelming at first, mainly because it offers a lot of sections and capabilities. But once you understand the flow, it becomes extremely powerful. Keep in mind that there is a learning curve at the beginning, and you need to properly set up integrations to unlock its full power. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI walkthroughs and tool comparisons. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And if you haven't signed up yet, Check the affiliate link in the video description to get started. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.